If I could describe Gen 8 in one word.
Awesome. Exciting.
The best.
Brilliant.
Smart.
Game changer.
Beautiful.
Phenomenal.
When you lead, you can't rest. You can never rest. You always have to be challenging the conventional wisdom of what's right and wrong and always looking to the next big thing.
We have a long tradition of inventing things and then driving those inventions to become industry standard. And quite normally we give them away to the world. We do that because we're not looking for proprietary advantage.
The rewarding part of it is that we're here at an influx, at an inflection point in the industry, where we're able to redefine the experiences, expectations, and economics in the data center forever.
Writing the requirements for ProLiant Gen8 was a really exciting time. We put down everything we really wanted. And as you do that, you know, sometimes you have to compromise along the way and you don't get it all. But this time I feel like we got everything we wanted and even more than we were expecting.
The folks that are on the team have a very strong drive towards making the best possible product for all our customers.
2 customers a week experience an outage related to a human error where someone has pulled the wrong disk drive from a system, and in doing so caused a data loss.
So we said, what can we do about that? And this is a direct result of being directly involved with the live data of the customer outages. And we came up with an idea.
This notion of smart storage and this idea of having a smart drive that actually has an intelligent icon on the front of it.
It's called the Do Not Remove icon on our new smart carrier that basically says, do not remove this disk drive. If you remove this disk drive, you will cause downtime. You will cause your array to fail. You look at social networking, everybody's uploading pictures, and it's growing by an exponential amount every day.
Our new smart array controllers have just new performance boosts across the board. Everything from just bigger pipes and deeper buffers so we can run everything faster reads, faster writes. Across the board, we're much faster.
These applications are very much CPU and memory bound.
The storage now becomes kind of really the dominant factor in performance for more applications than other areas might be.
There's a transition going on in the storage space. Typically the processor and memory complexes have increased their performance pretty much at a higher level than the storage performance area.
Solid state devices have been shipping for quite some time. We sped up the cars, but the freeways are now only two lanes wide. We got to open up those lanes and really make this match the speeds that these devices can go.
So one of the things that we've done with our new smart memory is we've allowed it to run faster even under fully loaded conditions, which means even if you have a lot of memory, which people tend to want to do for large databases, for large virtualization environments, want to put a lot of memory in there. Well, what you don't want to do is put a lot of memory and then lose performance as a result of that. We're able to get higher performance even with large memory configurations.
So the benefits around the smart memory pieces, they'll be seen in many applications, but the most clear benefits are going to come in the HPC or high performance computing places.
One of the things that we do with our smart data services is, and from a roadmap standpoint is continuing to do, is really kind of help customers with putting data in the best place to deliver the best performance.
And when we calculated the number of drives that we would needed to run the benchmark, it was more than the number of drives that we had in the building. We're able to replace those with less than 100 SSDs to run the same benchmark with Gen 8 and achieve a #1 benchmark position.
Actually, if you stop innovating, if you stop moving forward and raising the bar, you're going to get left behind. You won't be a leader. We lead in the industry right now, and leaders lead.